Ms. Hoover, on behalf of the NetSuite Salesforce, we would like to welcome you to today's interview. We would like to start with a few standard questions that we ask all of our prospects. You know, most students we interview want to start in sales, but think they should move into marketing soon after. How long would you plan to stay in sales and why?
This is interesting that you actually asked that question because this is how I started out at my last position. I started in sales, switched over to marketing, but now I want to widen my repertoire with a different company and going back to sales because this is where my passion lays.
As a salesperson, what would you expect from NetSuite?
During my current employment in the marketing company, I was actually talking to one of the NetSuite sales representatives, and I must say I was highly impressed how skilled, trained that person was. And I would expect a high training, competitiveness from the employees, and teamwork when it's needed. And I just would like to be challenged.
Which would you prefer, salary or commission, and why?
With the fluctuant economy right now, I'm leaning more towards the salary option, but it all depends on other incentives that might go with it, like benefits, like health insurance, dental insurance. This is very important to me. And if this comes with the salary option, then I would most definitely choose that. But I would like to keep my options open and maybe later on switch to the commission.
Tell me about a situation where you were selling something, an idea, or anything, and they weren't buying. What did you do?
One of my very first sales positions was at a car dealership. During my first week on the job, I had a family of four come in, and I could not find the right vehicle for them. I showed them at least 15 different vehicles, and nothing seemed to satisfy the family. When I sensed that they were about to leave the lot, I pulled the mother aside. I said, "Ma'am, what exactly is it that you need in a vehicle? Maybe we can go from there and I can find what you need in a vehicle." She then explained to me that they're an active family. They have lots of sport equipments to carry around with them. And then in the back of my head, I said, "We have a minivan in the back of the lot. It's not a used vehicle, it's a brand new one, but it's been on the lot for a while and we can get you a very good price. Would you mind if I show you that one?" The mother got really excited when she saw the vehicle. And if I would have known before what their purpose was, we could have done this a lot quicker. And they actually bought the vehicle from me that day.
Why did that work or fail to work?
The experience I had with that family actually taught me a valuable lesson. Communication is key. So if you are trying to sell something and you have a hard time, ask questions. It never hurts to ask questions.